Okay, let's start the optional quiz. Just want to make this clear, boys and girls, this is not for a grade, but I would love for you to have tried this. Challenge yourself a little bit. I mean, let's face it, you don't have a lot of other things you have to do, so why not? No harm in getting the stuff wrong, right? Okay, so let's take a look at number 1, featuring Manny. I'm going to read it to you, and then I want you to try the problem. It can be on a piece of paper. If you're using Edpuzzle, I will have an option pop up for you to select your answer. Okay? Manny has a piece of ribbon that is 1/3 yard long. He cut it into 2 equal lengths to make bookmarks. How long is each piece of ribbon? Use the model to solve. Okay, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to move on and read question number 2. We're going to treat this like a regular quiz. If you're using Edpuzzle, a question popped up for you to select your answer. If you are trying this on a piece of paper, please feel free to pause this, do your work, and then hit play to continue on with number 2. Once I've finished reading the quiz to you, I'm going to attach a link with the answers, just like I've been doing on all of the practice pages. And then you can kind of check and see how you've done. Okay? If you're doing Edpuzzle, you're getting the feedback right away. Number 2. Rita is painting the walls in the playrooms at the daycare center. She estimates, or rounds, that she will need 1/4 gallon of paint for each wall. How many walls can she paint with 5 gallons of paint? Fill in the blanks to complete the equation. Go ahead and pause this if you're trying to work out the problem. When you're done, go ahead and hit play and move yourself right along to the next question. Number 3. When and 5 friends equally share 1/3 of a pan of snack bars. 1/3 of a pan of snack bars? I don't know, maybe brownies. Okay, snack bars is confusing to me. Which expression shows how much of the pan each person gets? So when and 5 friends. When and 5 friends. Wonder how many people that is. They're equally sharing 1/3 of a pan of brownies. Which expression would show how much they would each get? Go ahead and pause it, work on the problem, hit play when you're ready for number 4. Number 4. Yolanda has 1/6 cup ladle. A 1/6 cup ladle. So can you picture the ladle that you might have in your utensil drawer at home that you use for soup? It holds 1/6 of a cup. Okay? And she uses it to pour gravy over potatoes. She uses 1 full ladle for each serving of potatoes. So in other words, if you put a serving of potatoes on your plate, on mom's plate, on sister's plate, she uses 1 ladleful each time she puts potatoes on somebody's plate. And that 1 ladle is 1/6 of a cup. So use that information for part A. Fill in the table to show how many servings of potatoes Yolanda can make from the given amounts of gravy. So if she has 1 cup of gravy, how many servings can she make? If she has 2 cups of gravy, how many servings can she make? And if she has 4 cups of gravy, how many servings can she make? Go ahead and pause that, work on that, and then hit play when you're ready for part B. In part B, it says fill in the blanks to complete the explanation about the amount of gravy Yolanda uses. Use the numbers in the box below. Answer choices may be used more than once, and not all of them will be used. When it says answer choices may be used more than once, it might not. That's the tough part. You have to actually know what you're talking about. So let's see what we've got. To find the number of servings that Yolanda can make from 1 cup of gravy, divide 1 cup by blank. Or multiply 1 cup by blank. This means that for every cup of gravy, there are blank servings of gravy. Yolanda can make blank servings from 6 cups of gravy. She can make 60 servings from blank cups of gravy. I know that's very confusing. Give it your best. Rewind it, pause it, play it again. Do it however many times you want to give yourself that challenge. Don't worry. I will go over this with you in the answer link.